How's it going, guys? Back with another video. In today's video, and probably videos from here on, I really want to show you guys, how to get to the leads, how to make money online with any company. Um, and one of my biggest marketing, I wouldn't say secrets, but one of my biggest marketing sources that I use, for my offline marketing. I don't use drop cards. I don't use business cards, paper business cards, I should say. Um, I kind of use a technology that a lot of people overlook. It's been I've had mine for over a year, and it's been out for a year on top of that. So it's been about 2 years. It's been out, and a lot of people. It's actually been out for years and years. This is what a lot of big Fortune 500 companies use, but this specific company that offers them, has been out about 2 years. Um, I've made videos. I know a lot of people keep overlooking. They keep trying to find this hidden feature, to make money online when it's right in front of you, guys. I've showed you these royalty gems. I've showed you these many a times. I have three of the 100-meter ones and one 200-meter one. And a lot of people just I even get questions, do they really work? Do they really work? Why would I pay for something for so long if it did not work? I could easily throw it under the rug, delete my old videos and move on. Why would I still personally have them if it didn't work? A lot of people want a new lifestyle. A lot of people are trying to figure out how to get leads, how to make sales, going through tons of training, but certain things just aren't resonating. I use these, as my backup, So say I get online and things are not going well today. I'm not getting any sales. I know I always have these on and these working. These will send out whatever secure link of your choice in a 40 character message to smartphones and Androids, Android smartphones around you within whatever range of gym that you have. Like I said, for example, these ones specifically are 100 meters. So within 100 meters around me, my message and website is sent to those people, that have their Bluetooth on and, their location nearby on, which is 9 times out of 10, I should say eight times out of 10, most smartphones, they have, location on, Bluetooth on, etc. So a lot of people, come and say, what about iPhone? A lot of people have iPhone, yes, but Android still dominates 60% of the market. There's a lot of people with Android still. There's a lot of people that don't like Apple. And even if you have an Apple phone, you can still download the link. I mean the app that controls your gyms and still control your gyms through your Apple. But it only will broadcast to Android phones. This is powerful. If you're really trying to make money online, even if it's 60%, which actually is a big percentage, you still are getting your business to people every day, versus buying, certain solo ads, buying paid advertisement, or spending hours on the computer stressing yourself out. You still, even if you make no sales, you still are getting your for sure you're getting your website, to people. And I have systems, that help you capture your leads so you can specifically see, specifically have, say, a capture page. If you don't know what a capture page is, this is why you really want to, join me and really understand what's going on. But say you have a capture page specifically linked to your gyms. When someone fills out their email, you know that the gyms are working, So that's how I know my gyms are working. Even like I said, you get no sales. At least I know people are coming to my business and I'm not stressing myself out, pulling my hair out online all day. A lot of people want change. A lot of people want finer things as well. You can't really, you can get by in this world, but you can't really live the way you want to live, whether it's eat what you want to eat, diet like you want to diet, work out like you want to work out, necessarily with no money. You have to have money to buy the right foods, especially if you're say you're in the health, you're into natural health. Natural health isn't cheap. A lot of people can't eat and do what they, live the way they want to do because they can't afford it. So they have to settle for, this side over here. But it's bigger. It's bigger than people think, especially for people really looking to make money online, really needing it, really trying to take the right path and have a fast start. Royaltie Gems is what I've been using to keep things afloat. Like I said, when I'm having a tough day online, I keep them on 24/7. I never turn them off. They broadcast all day, all night. If I leave it, you can leave them, on a highly populated area. That's thousands of views every single day. If you want people to come to your social media account, you can put a link to your Instagram, to your Twitter, and it'll pop up on their phone and they can follow you right there and then. If you want more views to a video, you can put the link to your YouTube video. It's a lot of different ways. If you own a regular traditional, somehow you ran across this video and you own a regular traditional business, whether you're selling online or you have an actual place of business, you can offer promotions to everyone that comes past your business. The list goes on. If you want, if you don't want to spend business cards, the app has the Royaltie Gems apps. It has where you can make a virtual business card and either send it to direct contacts. Say you run into somebody, okay, I'll send you my business card. What's your number? Or you can broadcast it to the people around you. It's so many possibilities with Royaltie Gems, and that's why I keep them. It's technology that a lot of people are going to pass up, and it's technology a lot of people are going to miss out on. They're going to do things harder. I'd rather work smarter than harder. It's not much selling I can do. You either want more exposure to your business without pulling your hair out or spending a lot of money, or you don't. I pay $49 a month for my 3. Well, a little bit more because I have the other one. I pay around $60 a month, for this type of technology. That's lower than a phone bill. And it makes me money, so it's a return on my investment. So it's not much I can really sell. I'll keep making videos, obviously, just to get into different people's heads. But it's not much selling I could really do. You either want more exposure without trial and error with all these different online marketing techniques, strategies, or you just want to fill in your website, 40-character message, and have it going all night. And you could trial and error with that. You could switch up the message, switch up the capture page, and you can trial there for pretty much free, because you're only paying that one monthly fee. So you can put as many links and run as many tests, take it as many different places, and do easier work. But guys, I'm not gonna make this video too long. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 400 subscribers. I want to get this as high as we can go. Even 1,000 subscribers. So if you come across this video today, this is not for you, just hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, because you never know. But on that note, guys, everything will be in the description down below. Hope you have a good day.